In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email in Microsoft Outlook on Windows. This feature is useful when you accidentally send an email to the wrong person, or when you notice a mistake right after sending it. However, it only works under certain conditions, such as when both you and the recipient are using the same Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 environment, and the message has not yet been opened. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and go to the folder pane on the left side of the screen. Click on the Sent Items folder, where all your sent emails are stored. Carefully locate and double-click the email that you want to recall so it opens in a separate window. Once the email is open, go to the top menu and click on the Message tab. From there, look for the option labeled Actions. Click on it, and then select Recall this message. This will open a new window with recall options. At this point, you will see two choices. The first option allows you to delete unread copies of the message, and the second option allows you to delete unread copies and replace the message with a new one. Choose the option that best fits your situation. If you want to correct the email, selecting the Replace option allows you to edit and resend it immediately. After selecting your preferred option, you can also choose whether Outlook should notify you if the recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. This helps you track whether the process worked correctly. Once everything is set, click OK to proceed with the recall request. It is important to understand that email recall is not always guaranteed. If the recipient has already opened the email, or if they are using a different email system outside of your organization, the recall may not work as expected. And that's it. You now know how to recall a sent email in Microsoft Outlook on Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.